My top tips for wearing big earrings.
Hi friends, it's Katie. I've got some style tips for you today. So, earrings, large earrings, really in this year, and any year I just love them. They're so fun. Now, if you're not confident with wearing a large earring, just pop them on and leave your hair down and let the earring kind of just peep through. It does take a little while to get used to, because if you're someone like me that's used to wearing little studs, then putting a large earring on can feel a bit like woo out there. But I promise you, when you wear them, you will get so many compliments. You'll notice when I'm wearing a large earring, I won't put anything around my neck because I want the attention to go here. Now, my favourite way to wear a large earring is to put my hair up. And this, I don't know, well, I just twist it at the side, and then I twist it at the side here, and then I just twist it and pop it in a clip. It's very easy. Now this I picked up in a charity shop, and I love wearing them with t-shirts underneath because they add a really just eclectic look to your style. And then I wear them with jeans. These jeans have nice little slips up the side, which is nice for spring. These shoes, again, old, but lots around in the shops. I like the chunkiness of them because they kind of, yes, they're quite high, as you can see, but they've got a platform here, and the chunkiness of the heel makes them more kind of casual. Underneath this, I've just got a little t-shirt, and you can put any t-shirt. Once again, if you're not feeling confident with a large earring, you can keep your makeup a lot more simpler. I like to just look more fun with it, and I'll put a bright lip on because I think it counteracts with the kind of large earring. It kind of creates a little bit of balance. Now, top tip, red lips. This red lip looks slightly more toned down. A light pink with the red. So I'll put the light pink on first, then I'll put the red on. Any red lip, any pink lip, light pink, mix them together, and it will just give a slightly more toned down redness. So I hope these style tips inspire you today. Here's the look, and first time I've got my toes out this year. Ooh, exciting. I'll see you soon. Bye.